You're watching Delish D'Lites, and this is a recipe for Puerto Rican sofrito. We have 5 main ingredients for this recipe. The first one is onion. The second is ajíes dulces, which are a sweet pepper that's native to the Caribbean. Then we have regular bell peppers. Then we have culantro, which is a relative of cilantro but has a much stronger taste and kind of looks like big dandelion leaves. And then finally, some garlic. We'll place all these ingredients into a blender and blend them up until they're uniform. You can also use a food processor for this recipe. Once your sofrito is blended, what I like to do is pour the mixture into ice cube trays and freeze it. That way you have sofrito on the go whenever you need it. For the full recipe, visit delishdelites.com and make sure to subscribe for new recipe alerts. Thanks for watching!